Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Chef and I am from section 13. Today I am going to represent my DIY assignment 2, which is an Arduino circuit. The circuit basically represents a smart home automation using Arduino circuit. The circuit basically consists of Arduino board, the PIR sensor, DC motor, power supply, gas sensor, piezo which is a buzzer, the light bulbs, the microserver, ultrasonic distance sensor, photoresistor, and this resistors and wires. The basic function of PIR sensor is that suppose this green dot is a person. When this person approaches the sensor, this DC motor which is beside, this starts rotating and the fan starts rotating when someone approaches or when someone approaches the door. The function of fan can be controlled manually also. This slide switch is present here which can be controlled to turn on or off the fan. The photoresistor. The function of photoresistor is such that when the intensity of light goes down, it turns on the light. Basically, it resembles that when the evening is approaching, the lights turn on automatically. The basic function of gas sensor is such that when there is a gas leakage, when the LPG gas approaches the gas sensor, there is a piezo buzzer which starts vibrating, and as the gas approaches near and near, the intensity of sound increases. The basic function of ultrasonic distance sensor is such that suppose the green dot is some random person, and when the person approaches the sensor, the gate automatically opens for him and the person can get inside. The code on which this circuit runs is basically like this. The code for photoresistor is this. The code for light and fan control is this. The gas sensor, the servo motor.